Hey my good people, so I have just decided I get this beautiful wireless microphone. I bought it online and it has just been delivered. It is for Type C phone, K9 wireless microphone. So one of the things which I liked about this microphone is that it is plug and play. It doesn't need an application on your phone or anything, and it has a 20 meters range of accessible reception. So you can just shoot your video when you are many meters away, and it captures the audio very well. Another thing it is that it has eye sensitivity, so it can capture audio very well. So it comes with it has four accessories. It has the microphone, it has the receiver, it has the charging cable, and it has the user manual. So it is very easy to use. That's why I love it. I have tried it and it is very good. So about the microphone, you have to charge it. It has a charging cable, so you have to charge both the receiver and the microphone itself. But in most cases, the receiver it will charge itself using the phone. So it comes with its cable, which is Type C, and it took a lot to be delivered since I'm in Kenya, and it was being shipped by e-commerce site from China. I bought it at around 1,400 Kenya shillings, which is equivalent to around 10 USD. Yeah, it is very good. I have tried it, and I recommend if anyone is looking for a microphone, they can go for K9 wireless microphone.